Hi, this is Zak Mir from Master Investor with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, April 2nd. I'm starting off with Kibo Mining, an old favourite. Here we see an extended consolidation here, starting to look a little bit more positive in the sense that we've bounced off the 4p level above the 200-day moving average, but probably still you'd want to see at least a decent weekly close back above the 5p resistance of recent weeks, or even the 50-day moving average at 5.47. The big reward, if we can clear the 50-day line, is a return to the best levels of last year at 8p plus, but probably still worth waiting on that situation. Weekly close back below the 200-day moving average, currently the only real negative setup in prospect. Next up is a stock which is new to me and new to this bulletin board hero area, and that's Mithril Capital. Sort of classic setup in the sense that we've broken through the 50-day moving average at 3.9p by quite a long way, extended base below 3.5p going into that move over the past couple of months, and really difficult to see why or how the shares won't revisit the best levels of December through 6p plus over the next month or so. In the meantime, any dips towards the 50-day line regarded as a buying opportunity. End of day close back below it, the stop loss on that idea. Next up is stock which is normally bubbling around in terms of private investor interest, Orsu Metals. Here we've got what looks to be a V-shaped bull flag towards the low end of the range. We've already had the selling climax below 8.8p last month. Some buying volume coming in there as it is at the moment. End of day close above the 50-day moving average is encouraging, and that could set up the shares for a return to 1.6p plus, which is the initial 2015 resistance area. Probably the best stop loss at the moment, back below the 20-day average at 1.03p or just below 1p. The big round number itself. Finishing off as we sort of wind down for Easter, Sirius Petroleum. Looks as though we've got a little bear trap rebound here, a bit of bullish divergence in the RSI window as well. The lower price low below a penny, matched by higher RSI levels or oscillator levels. Setup we have here is that we're back above the initial March support at 1p, and while that holds, best case scenario here is that the shares could fill the gap towards 1.5p over the next month or so. If you're cautious on the situation, maybe wait for an end of day close at least above the 10-day moving average at 1.1p. That's it from me. More updates at masterinvestor.co.uk.